When deploying multi-factor, for the most part, the technology is not that difficult to deploy. What we find is that the biggest effort truly is around the governance and planning. If you roll out MFA today and you roll it out to all of your users, you're going to bring your environment to a screeching halt. You need to ensure that any applications that you have in place, as well as the user identities, are aware and can use multi-factor, because if the product that you're using, or a tool or a solution, an application, requires a request to the environment and it doesn't know how to handle that multi-factor, then that application can cease to function. So truly a lot of governance and planning, which will be probably more effort than the actual technical implementation itself, is a must.